preparation for the 19th annual West Coast Monster Truck Nationals, September 16th, 17th, and 18th at the Ready Rodeo. We've been doing this show for 18 years in Red Bluff, Tehama County, and this is our first year. We're starting our 19th year and new beginning here at the Ready Rodeo grounds in the city of Ready. It's a great family-oriented event. There's music, there's loud noise, there's specialty acts, and they can come out and spend an evening with us and have a great time. They should just bring excitement and just be ready for a good time. They don't have to bring anything.